In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring a picture to the front in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful feature when you're working with multiple images, shapes, or text boxes that overlap, and you want one element to appear on top of the others for better visibility and layout control. To get started, open your Word document and click on the picture you want to bring forward. Once the image is selected, you'll notice a new tab appear at the top called Picture Format. This tab contains all the tools you need to adjust how your image interacts with other elements in the document. Before you can move the picture freely, it's important to change its text wrapping setting. By default, images are placed in line with text, which limits how they can be positioned. To fix this, go to the Picture Format tab, click on Wrap Text, and choose an option like Square, Tight, or In Front of Text. This allows the image to move independently from the text and other objects. Once text wrapping is enabled, you can now bring the picture to the front. While the image is still selected, look for the Arrange group in the Picture Format tab. Click on Bring Forward to move the image one layer up, or choose Bring to Front to place it above all other objects on the page. This ensures your selected picture appears clearly and is no longer hidden behind other elements. You can also right-click on the image, hover over the option called Bring to Front, and select either Bring Forward or Bring to Front from the menu. This is a quick alternative if you prefer using the mouse instead of navigating through the ribbon. After bringing the image forward, you can reposition it anywhere on the page by clicking and dragging it. You can also resize it or apply additional formatting to match your document's layout. And that's it. You now know how to bring a picture to the front in Microsoft Word and manage overlapping elements with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.